Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Google Tasks all the way from syncing it with your Google Calendar, okay, printing your tasks, and even getting this app for your desktop. It's all very easy to do, but first, let me go ahead and sign out so we can go over from scratch. And I'll also uninstall this desktop app as well. So I'll go ahead and right click this. Okay, you can unpin this as well, but to uninstall, you just click on these three dots, click on uninstall taskboard. This is for later on if you would like to uninstall that. Now, go to your Google browser, type in taskboard. Okay, this is the app for Google Tasks. Just go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to prompt you to sign in. So I'm going to click on sign in with Google, and we're going to choose a Google account. So let me go ahead and pick this one right here, Pioneer Legend. Go ahead and click on continue. Okay, give it all the necessary permissions. It's going to ask you for another set of permissions. Go ahead and give it these permissions. So there we go. I have gone ahead and continue with that. Now it's synced to my Google Calendar. As you can see, I have a main board and I can add different lists. For example, if you want a list for your personal life, you can easily rename this. So my tasks, and then you can put it in brackets. So let's say, for example, personal life. Okay. And if you want tasks related to work, you can type in work list, for example. Okay. Now everything is synced to your Google Calendar. Let me switch over to that account. So I can easily add tasks right here. Just click on add tasks. And let's say for my personal life, I wanted to do a morning workout. Okay. And then I can click on add date. So let's say I want to do it today. Okay. Or tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow. And you can choose even the time, right, for this. So we'll just do it tomorrow as a task. So if you want to do this in more details, what you need to do is go to your Google Calendar. And this one will update the task for working out. Okay. So if I go over here to Google Calendar, so this is tomorrow, right? And let's go to Friday. Let's check out. We have a morning workout. So you can add a time. And let's want it to start at 7 a.m. You can go ahead and select that. And there we go. If you want it to repeat, of course, what you can do is you can change this to daily or every weekday. Maybe you only work out Monday through Friday. Go ahead and select that. And then go ahead and click on save. If you have specific, descriptions to add, you can also add that. Maybe for each day you have different workouts. You can specify for each day right here in the description. Okay. So there we go. Every single morning, we are going to have a morning workout. Okay. So if I come back to taskboard, we'll see it update as well. You can just go ahead and refresh that, as you can see, and it will update. And so I can see right here, I did not name this properly. Okay. So I was just supposed to edit this one and change this. Instead, I created a new one, but that is okay. You can easily fix that, as you can see. And to delete, this is a good thing because now I can show you how to delete tasks. So all you need to do, you can click on this and then click on this delete task icon, this trash can icon, right? So if I do this, make sure you click on all tasks, because if I do only this task, it will only go ahead and delete this specific task for this day. Okay, and if I do this and following task, let's say I was deleting it from the 19th, then it would only delete the other ones and it would keep the ones from the previous days. I want to delete all of them. So I'll go ahead and click on OK. And there you go. We go ahead and delete all of those tasks. Every single day you'll have the morning workout task. Okay. And if you have completed it, all you need to do is toggle this and it will show up under the completed section. Okay, with a strike through like that. And if I come here to Google Calendar, you can see the completed task right here. If you don't want to see completed tasks, all you need to do is come to the top right, click on the gear cog, and then click on settings. Okay, then we scroll down here and make sure this is toggled off. Show completed tasks, toggle this one off. And if I come back here, the settings are saving. The settings have been saved, and this will be gone. So as soon as I go ahead and refresh this, you'll see morning workout will not be visible anymore as long as your settings have been saved. Okay, so if I come click on this one now, mark this as completed, there you go. Okay, so let me show you some other things we can do here. So let me add a few more tasks first. Also, while I'm adding tasks, I want to show you how to switch from the different views. So if you want to switch to a weekly view, just click here. Okay, in this drop down, you can choose to a weekly view. Okay, you can set up a week by week, for example. So let's come here to May. There we go. This is the week I am currently in. Now, since we see the different times, it's easier to add, tasks. So let's say every Saturday at 5 p.m., 5 p.m., I want to go to the weekly grocery shopping, right? I just click there and add this as a title, weekly grocery shopping. We have that as our task. And then what I will do, I will go ahead and make this only a weekly recurring thing. So I'll click here and click on does not repeat. We'll repeat it every week on Saturday. Okay, there you go. This one will go to my personal life. So we have different lists. You can even choose your list right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this. Let's say you had an event, you had a meeting. So I can choose, let's say we had a meeting on Friday, 4 p.m. I come here, it's going to be an event, and I can name this work meeting. Okay. So there you go. This is the time from 4 to 5, or you can increase the timing. Maybe it's only a 30-minute meeting. You can choose that. Does it repeat? Is it a weekly meeting thing? You can choose that as well. So this is a non-repeating meeting. You can add guests. You can send the emails. You can also add a Google Meet video conferencing directly. So you can easily go ahead and click on your event right here and go ahead and join the meeting. Right? You can also add a location if it is at a physical location. And if you want to add attachments, descriptions, okay, maybe you're going to be presenting something, you can add those here. So I'll go ahead and save this, and it will, of course, update on Taskboard as well. Now, let's say you want to print your tasks. You like maybe having a physical copy. All you need to do is come here and click on these 3 dots for whichever list you want to go to print. Click on print list, and then you have to just select whatever printer you want to print to. So here I can go ahead and select my different printers. So what pages you want to go ahead and print. If you have many tasks, of course, you'll have multiple pages. The layout, I'll leave it as portrait. Paper size A4. And what I like to do is I like to scale it up. Okay. So if I don't have that many tasks, or I can't see it really well, I just scale it up, and there we go. We can see it much better, and then you can just go ahead and print this. Okay. And you can also go ahead and export this to a Google Sheet. All you need to do is come and click on this. Okay, they're going to need access to your drive to export. Just go ahead and click OK and give them the necessary access. So there we go. Come here, click on continue. It's completely safe. It's a app by Google itself, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. So there we go. We have given it access. So you can easily export this to Google Sheet. As you can see, it's currently exporting to Google Sheet. You can also change colors. There we go. You can pick colors. Now, these are premium features we can try for free as well. They give you a trial period, which you can see here in the pricing section. You can easily change your currency. It's about $4 a month. Okay, if you have a team, you can do it $5 per month per user. So I'll come back to my main board. Okay, so you can go ahead and always click here to try Premium for free. And I'll also show you how to install the app, the desktop app I have. So all you need to do is come here where the URL section is. You just click on this icon, click on install. And as you can see, Taskboard will be installed here to your desktop. Just right click and make sure it's pinned. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple. Good luck. Stay focused. Stay productive.